What is going on, YouTube family? Tall as fuck here with another video, and today we're going to be talking about how to move past your ex, your toxic, crazy ex that will not leave you, that you won't stop thinking about, that is constantly on your mind, that you weren't given closure about, etc., etc., and the list goes on. But I'm here to give you guys advice on how to move past, the steps to take, in a very vague sense, because not everybody's situation is the exact same. But I mean, for the most part, you can come at every situation similarly, for the most part, 80% of it. And so yeah, this video is for all you people that have recently had a breakup, feel kind of lost and lonely and don't really know what to do, how to move on, how to move past that person. They keep mingling in your life. So for starters, we're gonna give you guys step one on what to do. For starters, you really gotta just cut that person out. You don't want to keep them around. You don't want to keep in contact with them. I mean, especially mainly if it's a toxic relationship that you had, you really do not want to keep them around. You want to try your best to get them out of your life and cut all types of contact. Unless the person is stalking you, you can easily get them out of your life. And if they keep constantly blowing up your phone, your best bet is to just change your phone number, change social media, block them, whatever you got to do. And if anything, worst case scenario, bring up a restraining order. And yeah, I mean, if you feel like you weren't given the closure that you were looking for in a relationship, whether you don't necessarily know if they cheated on you or you're still with them and you don't know if they cheated, just be direct, be straightforward. Like, ask them, like, kindly, just be like, look, we're broken up, we're past whatever, just be honest with me, let me know, did you cheat on me, did you do shady stuff behind my back? And if they don't want to take that route, then just simply block them. And if you're having trouble blocking them, having trouble moving on, I would say just block them, delete any sort of contact. If you have pictures in your phone, videos, sexual stuff, delete all of it. You don't want to keep it around. You keep it around, you're just going to be hooked and you're never going to move forward. But delete every trace that you have of this person. Unless you guys were left on good terms and you feel like it was a good relationship and you broke off on good terms, and it's memories that you had that you want to just keep around, like maybe you had a trip that involved them with a few friends or family or something, then you can keep it. It's not really that serious. But you want to, for the most part, just delete everything you have, cut all contact, and then from that point on, find yourself a hobby. You know, me, for example, I love cars. I love my Subaru, my baby. You know, I'm currently in it right now. I love to play video games. I love to give myself little projects, whether it's like YouTube videos or, you know, creating content for you guys and stuff like that. Like, just find yourself a hobby. If you feel like you have a lot of built up anger inside of you, take up boxing. If you feel like destructive, like you want to fight someone, take up boxing, take up MMA. I don't know, anything that floats your boat. I would say boxing is a good one because you can actually throw your punches and release all that anger. Work out, go to the gym. Something that helped me, take runs around the block. Go for a run, just like release all your stress and anxiety. Don't use Google. Google is the stupidest way how to get over a breakup. I mean, it's informative, but it's so vague. It doesn't really help you. You just got to find a hobby. You got to find something to distract yourself, because realistically speaking, when it comes to moving past a relationship, it takes time. There's nothing physically possible that you can do to get past it, except just be patient and time. It takes time to get past it. And to make time pass, obviously you have to distract yourself with a hobby, with some fun game, or, I mean, jumping into another relationship, technically you can do that, but I mean, realistically, you need time to heal. Not everybody is wise enough to move past a relationship with another relationship. For the most part, they'll just be using that person as a rebound or whatever. But yeah, just find a way to distract yourself with a hobby, and then from that point it just takes time to move past it. And I mean, for the most part, you're set. And after that, I mean, if it was a really toxic relationship and you were really scarred or hurt in a way, that scarredness will stick. You won't be 89, I mean, you won't be full 100% healed. You will be 85, 90% healed, and you will still have that little hurt or heartbreak in your heart from time to time. That's why when most people move on and they date someone else, if they get a glimpse of that same feeling that they had from the toxic relationship, they will kind of like freak out. Or that's why people get scared or nervous, or, oh, they're gonna get cheated on again. Like, it'll always be there. You won't let that go. Like, even me, when I went past my breakup in the past, from like a year and a half ago to 2 years, I still now feel that hurt from time to time when I get reminded of it. So, I mean, anybody has any questions regarding this topic, I made this video specifically for people going through this because I want you guys to grow and learn. And when you go through these breakups, I mean, don't sit there and blame the other person unless they flat out cheated on you. Because, I mean, people cheat from insecurity. They don't cheat because, I mean, some people cheat because they enjoy it, but for the most part, it's insecurity. And, yeah, I would say just like, find a hobby. People cheat because they're scared or nervous, or maybe you're going to replace them for someone better, or you're too good for them, and typically that's how it goes. But yeah, I mean, it's tough, man. It's tough. If anybody has any sort of questions or has a topic you guys want me to talk about, I mean, I know I've talked about these type of subjects for a good amount of time. I've repeated a couple of videos like this, but I mean, give me your input. What do you guys think I should post about? I would like to say I'm pretty wise when it comes to this type of subject. I give some pretty good advice. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next video. There's a lot of content coming out soon. I'm gonna release a lot of food videos, car videos, you know, the usual. It's random for the most part. But if you guys really want me to structure this and release a specific type of video every day, write it down in the comment section down below. Let me know what you guys think, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next upcoming video, which is most likely going to be tomorrow. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and have a beautiful day, and stay COVID-19 free as usual. Later, guys.